Okay, this is a system that I have designed for going secondary school. I put a username, which is IMC Julius. I put the password 2018 -bit-009 weekend W. Then I say login. It has login successfully. My system can update, it can insert, it can search. So here say ID, I say I have 34, then I will add, let's say number 2, I say student Peter, Noe, gender male, class senior 3, district Barara, then phone number I say 0773457701, then I say insert. It has been inserted correctly. Then update, I say update, I find 5, I update 5, it comes here, I say this one is Arho Peter, male, class, this is senior 2, district Shuku, then I say upgrade, it has been upgraded. Yes, when I say delete, I use delete. I say what can I delete? I delete number 3. I search for number 3, then I delete. So number 3 has been deleted. So that is my system, how it can run. Thank you, madam. Then from there I say exit, also it can exit. I go to source, where source is. The source, this is my code, source code of my system. Okay, I start from here. I want to show you the class. This is a class, these are classes, this is a class string. Then we have constructor here, here I have a connectivity, a connection, I have variables, string variables, can show you variables where they are in my codes. I have conditional statement whereby it is if and else statements. I continue. This is also a connection. Then we continue. I think those are variables. That's what I can say, madam. So this is my topic, students registration form. This is a report that I had designed. Name IMC Julius, registration number 2018 BIT009W. The introduction. Students registration system will bring a lot of impact to Ogon Secondary School. It has a population of about 1,200 students. Its registration system has been manual. We have been using hands and pens and books to register these students, and which has been tiresome. We have background statement. The current system is a manual operated system where new students is registered manually in a new student register or a black book where classes or dormitory, student name and other details are recorded. After the student is assigned his or her class, another code is written down. Also, the person in charge of admission has to count the number of students manually. All this work will become more tedious and also wastage of time and also high cost of operation. The person will be in charge of the system will be able to log into the system and be able to register new students and also be able to track students' information. The school uses money system in the process of administration and all its data is stored on paper and maintained in files. The administration of the school collects information from the student. Continues the time. Problem statement. The manual system of recording student registration has been found to be cumbersome, tedious, and time-consuming. The mode of storage and retrieving of students' registration inadequate. It is done manually by clerical staff, and this is proving to an availability of a centralized pool of students according to their specific duration of program. Also, the awarding of grades is manual. The scores and marks of the student are word processed and the results is printed out. Then main objectives, to create a reliable, effective and dependable student registration system that is efficient and time cost favoring platform. To easily detect the possible predictions of the collision. Student registration system has to capture, display and update such student details in the system. The system is to amend, delete and edit entered information in the system. The system will allocate students to the registered class. Specific objectives, they study and analyze the current registration system and identify the gaps in the system as well as identify the requirements for the new system to design a web-based student, to implement the design student registration system, to test and validate the developed student registration system to ensure that it meets the specified requirements. Create a database for the registration procedure of the school. To create a file that will handle the payment of fees by the student. The scope of the student, scope of the study. This section is point to cover the geographical scope of one secondary school, time scope with the proposal and the tools to be used. Geographical one secondary school is located around Kawich Tagata Road in Shema South Shema district. So we have functionalities of the system. Having achieved the aims of the project, the following functions are derived. It quickens the registration procedure. It reduces the avoidance of duplication. There will be no duplication of information because it is database system. It provides facilities for decision-making process. It reduces cost of labor force responsible for scoring and awarding of grades is greatly reduced. It controls data, that is duplication of data. It reduces inefficiency and inaccuracy. It prevents loss of data during completion of forms in the manual registration process. It generally saves time when entering information and storing data. So that is the end of my system. Is the end of my system, and that is my report plus the system. So remain MC Julius. Yes, GM. Since I had only 10 minutes to display this, I have tried to utilize the time as time, madam.